How to add network to your Metamask account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add network or networks to your Metamask account wallet. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask, as you can see, like this. And now this is the home page. This is my wallet. Now you go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines like this. And after that you need to go to settings here down below. Click on settings option and you will have many options, but you need to choose the networks option here. It's the 51, it's the number 5 here, and click on it like this, and now you can choose one of those networks, or you can add network here. As you can see, now you can add the network name, the RPC URL, chain, symbol, and block explorer URL. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.